car used to have 12 inches of, leeway,
Up and down?
Yeah. Yeah, it's got a lot less than I had. Hello, how are you guys doing today? It is freaking cold in the shop, and I finally decided I'm gonna quit procrastinating and actually accomplish something. So today's goal is going to be to knock out the rear end, well, the rest of the rear end of the 67. But first goal is to get the other half of the 67 done because I'm lazy and didn't do it last time. So let's do that.
I don't know, sometimes they'll come back pretty good. I guess it don't hurt to go that far, does it?
No, worst come to worst, you just weld it back into place.
Should I go all the way to that weld?
That's up to you. You might as well, right? There's no point in going short with it.
Man, I gotta go at least to there though, too, and that. So got spot welds there that I'm hoping to not have to. Well,
yeah.
Let's go that wide and see what we got.
Okay.
This is major surgery.
Not the first time.
Once it's a hole, then we'll fix it. That's gonna be a fun piece to. I'm gonna probably have to make one.
Probably. Just run your cutting wheel over top of those.
These ones?
Yeah.
I think they give you access to.
Oh yeah.
What you were.
Plenty of access to that. Look at all that. Well, gross.
You should have seen before I cleaned that up.
Yeah.
It was pretty bad. Yeah, but for my car, it's not gonna
matter that much.
No, it's not like the car's gonna ever see rain, probably, or rarely see rain.
No, and if it does, it's probably stationary. Really, you could cut that out and just reuse that cage nut. It's got just a little wiggle room. So a few really cool tips I can share with you guys about getting this put back together. So what you want to do is get the upper on the differential housing on first. You're going to want that kind of just pushed in place above. You're going to put this in first. So we're going to have the arms on both. Control arms are going to be mounted on the differential first, but just kind of close to where they need to be up here. So once these are kind of tightened down, you can then drop this into place. Once this one is tightened down and this arm is like kind of okay, you can put your jack under the yoke of the differential itself in the housing and rotate this up. So you might need to shift it this way. Now also, you want to pre-mount these if at all possible, but not mount it down below. So what that's gonna do for you is that's gonna let you have all this stuff just preset, so you get your spring in, get your isolator in, and just kind of throw everything in and just be done with it. So note that I was too busy actually working to make the ending for this video. That being said, if this video helped you guys, please subscribe, have a good one, and I will see you on the road.